Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 70 dot charger, and this is a tuned version, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Fast and the Furious series. So I'm pretty sure I already owned this one, from some of the older cases from 2023. I'm not sure, but let's see how this one looks. So this I bought for the MRP 179. Okay. I really don't know if the older tuned versions actually came with this specific shape in that blister. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this car are like, okay, this looks really awesome. So the interior is all chromed out, as you can see. Okay, and it has this cool engine detailing here on top of the hood. So the headlights are not painted, but at least it is like engraved in it. So the chassis is actually not chromed out, but it is plastic. It is not metal or anything. So even the rear tail lights, it is not painted or anything. So it does have this detailing in the pinstriping to it. It says RT here. For this size, the detailing is really nice, but I really wish the price has been a little bit lower, like at least 120 or something instead of being 180. So this is not really worth 180 rupees, and some assholes are actually selling this for more than 600-700 rupees. So I really want you guys to stop encouraging scalpers. That's all I can say. Okay, so it has this bigger wheels on the back, so it looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll at all. The wheels wobble a lot. Even in the track itself, it's not rolling really well. That is really funny. But it does have some cute details to it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.